do size and differences and stuff like that. So, I mean, here's the size difference. The 26 is 26 centimeters across the bottom, the length, and the 20 is 20 centimeters. The major difference is the strap length. This is crossbody, and you can wear shoulder or crossbody. This you can only wear shoulder unless you're very, very tiny. I don't think you wear this crossbody. Shoulder or hold it in the crook, or put in the crook of your elbow. The strap is not adjustable and it's not detachable on either. So this is the length you have. So where it sits is where it sits. And obviously this is much bigger, but the inside is exactly the same. It has 2 pockets on the outside. Everything's bigger, right? But 2 pockets on the outside. This has 5 feet instead of 4 feet. But the opening is the same. Angles, what are they called? I forget. And then it kind of opens up. And then inside, like this, the mini can fit inside the 26 for perspective, like it can fit fully inside of it. But it's quite big and spacious. It's a big bag. It's big. I've seen a lot of people travel with this bag, like as their personal item. This one, same, but same but different. But other than that, besides the size and the strap length, everything else is pretty much the same. They both open and close the same way. They have 2 pockets on the inside. I don't know if you can see them, but there's a pocket back there and then a pocket back there. Pocket, pocket. Like I said, this can fit in here comfortably. Probably zip it shut too, but yeah.